Aircraft Spruce was actually founded 51 years ago in Fullerton, and was founded by my parents, who ran the company for the first 15 years. My wife and I have run it for the past 35, and now we've got 3 sons that are active in the business, so it's a 3-generation company at this point, and we're pleased with what we've been able to do with it over the years. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Company is a worldwide aircraft parts distributor, and what we do is we carry everything that goes into light general aviation airplanes, and that goes from tires to batteries to spark plugs to avionics, hardware, raw materials, engine components, anything you can imagine that goes into either experimental aircraft or certified aircraft such as Cessnas, Piper, Beech, and so on. The business has changed a great deal over the past 50 years since we opened our doors. We now, like you say, with the internet, all the orders used to be taken by phone. Well, now we've got online orders which vastly exceed our phone sales, and we have a lot of phone sales. So we handle about 1,000 orders a day from our Corona facility here. It's about the same in Atlanta. Some of the other facilities are slightly less, but we're handling a lot of packages every week and every day to be able to consolidate shipments either coming from vendors in one area, which would give us some economy of scale freight-wise and efficiencies, and maybe even outbound, going to a particular area of the country or a particular area of the world, to be able to consolidate those shipments instead of sending them off individually or receiving them in individually from various vendors. So that type of consolidation process would be a real gain in efficiency, probably save us money. We are not only nationwide, but we ship worldwide to every corner of the world and every corner of the country. We moved here to Corona, built a bigger building 20 years ago. We did kind of the same thing with our facility in Atlanta. And over the past 5 or 6 years, we've been able to add warehouses in Texas, in Arizona, in Pennsylvania, in Illinois. We have one in Canada. The logistics of getting product in and getting product out to the customers has been much more complicated by the fact that we have so many locations. One of our major partners bringing material in and out is UPS, and it's brought into focus how important it is to work closely with them and be sure they're aligned with our needs, because if we can't get the product in promptly, we can't ship it out to the customer promptly or efficiently. So it's a major component of our overall business. Business is great. Over the past 20 years or so, or really dating back even further, we've been able to grow at a pace of 7 to 10% a year on average, even through the lean times of a few years ago. And we've done that in spite of the fact that general aviation has been tending to shrink a bit. And the only way you can do that in that situation is by gaining market share. And the way we've done that is by trying to excel service-wise, expanding our product offering. We've also made some acquisitions of companies that were competitors or companies that brought things to the table that we thought would be good additions. So that's the way we've been able to grow and been able to open new facilities in various portions of the country and add employees, and all in all, the past few years have been very, very good.